So Italy
Rava.
Italy rava.
Rava. R-A-W-A.
Ava.
R-A-W-A. Rava.
Italy rava.
Rava.
Oh. And this is the Tamil Nadu item.
Yeah.
From Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a dosa, Tamil Nadu style.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. Huh? Beautiful. But too much oil, huh?
This is butter.
Big problem. Butter heart attack. Huh? Big problem. Huh?
Guys are eating hot.
So how much is idli?
Rice,
Yeah, one.
25 rupees.
This.
Butter, 50 rupees.
Oh. So onions.
This one 25.
Uh-huh.
This one 50.
Why? Why is different?
So this butter
And
and
this?
oil.
Oil. Okay.
Refined oil.
Refined oil.
Yeah.
Like engine oil.
Engine, no? Engine oil is very different. Engine oil is different.
Big problem, huh? But this
Oil
oil
is, oil is always, always problem.
board. Okay. This is Charmina Tiffin
Center.
Charmina Tiffin Center here, just opposite the Makkah Masjid. Makkah Masjid.
From Nashik gate.
Which gate? Front
Makkah
gate.
Masjid gate. Front gate.
Front gate.
Main gate.
Main gate. There you go. And always come here and see my friends making all these beautiful dosa. Dosa. Yes, fantastic. There you go, folks. Great stuff. Right next to the Milan Juice Center there. Yeah. Huh?